Every business leader is scrambling right now. They're panicking about their AI strategy. And honestly, most of them are doing it completely wrong. I'm talking about companies dumping millions into flashy AI features that customers don't even want. But here's the thing, while they're burning cash, there are businesses quietly making a ton of money with a completely different approach. Core business models are dominating the landscape right now, and they'll be even bigger in 2026. I'm going to break down each one, show you exactly how they work, and more importantly, which one might be perfect for your business. Let's start with model number one, the freemium funnel. And this model is absolutely crushing it right now. Think Spotify, Dropbox, or Canva. What do they all have in common? They give you something genuinely valuable for free. But here's the genius part. The basic version hooks users completely, while premium features convert the most engaged customers at exactly the right moment. This isn't just about getting users, it's about building trust first. When someone uses your free tier for weeks or months and gets real value, upgrading feels natural, not pushy. And here's what blows my mind. This model generates massive user bases with remarkably low acquisition cost. We're talking about customer acquisition costs that are 60 to 80% lower than the traditional approaches. Look at Canva, which I love, by the way. They started by giving away powerful design tools for free. Users created millions of designs, got comfortable with the platform, then naturally wanted access to premium templates and features. Now they have over 100 million monthly active users. But here's what's changing in 2025. The free tier can't just be a teaser anymore. It has to deliver genuine standalone value that makes users actually love your brand before they ever spend a dime. Now let's take a look at model number two. This is where things get really interesting. The human AI collaboration. Here's what everyone gets wrong about AI. It's not about replacing humans. The companies making serious money understand that technology should enhance human capabilities, not eliminate them. Companies like Jasper and Anthropic are growing at a phenomenal rate because they're empowering humans to work faster and smarter, not making them obsolete. Think about it. A content creator using Jasper doesn't lose their creativity, they amplify it. They can produce 10 times more content while maintaining their unique voice and perspective. GitHub Copilot is a perfect example. It doesn't replace programmers, it makes them superhuman. Developers using Copilot complete tasks 55% faster while learning new coding patterns along the way. The businesses winning with this model see average productivity increases of 40 to 60% because they're not automating jobs away, they're making their people unstoppable. And here's the kicker. Employees love these tools because it eliminates the boring, repetitive work and lets them focus on creative, strategic thinking. Model number three is subscription bundling. And this one is genius because it taps into psychology in a powerful way. Look at Amazon Prime. They could have just offered fast shipping. Instead, they bundled shipping, streaming, music, photo storage, and exclusive deals into one package that customers simply can't resist. Here's the psychology. Customers hate making multiple purchasing decisions, but they love getting incredible value in one simple package. The results? Amazon Prime members spend on average 2 times more than non-Prime customers. Why? Because once you're paying for the bundle, you want to get your money's worth from every service included. But what makes bundling so powerful in 2025? It creates what I call sticky value. Once customers are using multiple services in your bundle, switching becomes incredibly difficult and expensive for them. Plus, you can introduce new services to existing customers with almost zero acquisition costs. It's brilliant business strategy. And now we get to model number 4, the one that's going to absolutely dominate the rest of 2025 and 2026, our integrated ecosystems. Think about how Apple keeps you loyal in their world, devices, services, and content that all work perfectly together. Is not just about products anymore. The businesses winning big in 2025 won't sell products. They'll create entire environments that solve multiple problems seamlessly. Because here's the truth that most companies miss. Customers are absolutely tired of juggling different solutions and platforms for related needs. They want everything to just work together. Look at HubSpot. They started with marketing software, then added sales tools, customer service, CMS analytics, all designed to work together perfectly. Now, their customers can't imagine piecing together different tools from different vendors. The results? Customer lifetime values that are 3 to 5 times higher than traditional models, and churn rates below 5% annually. But here's the secret sauce. The most successful companies anticipate what customers want next and seamlessly incorporate it into their ecosystem before customers even realize they need it. Salesforce does a phenomenal job at this. They acquire companies and integrate them so smoothly that customers discover new capabilities they didn't know they needed. This approach creates massive switching costs. Once customers are embedded in your system with their data, workflows, and team training all built around your ecosystem, they rarely leave. Now, here's what ties all 4 of these models together, and this is crucial to understand. Each of these approaches spends way less on customer acquisition while building massive user bases. But what most people miss is how they create network effects that make the products more valuable for everyone. When Dropbox users share folders with non-users, they're essentially becoming unpaid sales agents for the platform. When someone joins a Slack workspace, they're more likely to introduce Slack to their other organizations. These models don't just acquire customers, they turn customers into growth engines. Every user becomes a potential source of new users. And here's the beautiful part. As your user base grows, your product becomes more valuable, which attracts more users, which makes it even more valuable. It's a compounding effect that's incredibly hard for competitors to break. But looking ahead to 2026, there's one trend that's going to accelerate all these models. Here's what's happening. These models dominate in 2025 because they solve real problems with minimal friction, and AI makes them incredibly smart about customer needs. Freemium becomes smarter about when to prompt upgrades. Human AI collaboration gets more intuitive and powerful. Subscription bundling predicts what services you'll want next, and ecosystems anticipate your needs before you voice them. The companies that master even one of these models will be ahead of 99% of entrepreneurs next year. But the companies that combine multiple models, they're going to own their markets. So here's your homework. Pick one of these 4 models that fits your business best and go deep on it. Are you building something new? Start with freemium. Have existing customers? Consider bundling or ecosystem expansion. Working in a knowledge industry, human AI collaboration might be your gold mine. If this breakdown opens your eyes to what's really working, smash that subscription button and tell me in the comments which model you're most excited to implement.